Hey everybody, welcome to May's Ways. I'm Kevin in the passenger seat, ready to show off more from our drive through Delaware. If you've been following along, you know that we've been spending the day making our way to Rehoboth Beach. We started out our day in downtown Wilmington, headed to Newcastle, Dover, and now we're on our final leg to Rehoboth Beach. We're getting our start here on the south side of Milford on Delaware 1. Let's see what we can find. I don't know if you're as much of a geography nut as I am, but I'm about to geek out on you now. If you know anything about the shape of Delaware, you know it starts out kind of narrow at the top, and as you head south, it gradually gets wider and wider. Through this area here, along Slaughter Beach, Fowler Beach, Prime Hook Beach, the coastline really starts to jut out to the east. And once past Lewes, the coastline dips south past Rehoboth Beach, Dewey Beach, etc., creating that foundation of Delaware. Between us and the beaches here is a large refuge known as the Prime Hook National Refuge and also the Prime Hook State Wildlife Management Area. The refuge is a sanctuary for migratory birds established in 1963 by President Kennedy. The area is home to a variety of marshes, woodlands, grasslands, ponds, forested areas, and a variety of reptiles, amphibians, and mammals. And Fowler Beach is an official sanctuary for horseshoe crabs. If you make a right here onto Delaware 5, you'll head south into the town of Milton. Like many of the towns in Delaware, it was founded a long time ago, in 1675 in this case. Plus, you'll find several structures listed on the National Register of Historic Places, and many, many more that have been restored to their original form. One of Milton's notable claims to fame is being the home to Dogfish Head Brewery, which opened in 1995. Just up ahead, we're about to join up with US 9, which will come in from the right. Business 9 will continue to the left, and the regular US 9 will continue with us on Delaware 1. In a short distance, it too will head off to the left like Business 9. Where does US 9 go? They head to the coastal town of Lewes, just a couple miles to the east on the Delaware Bay. Lewes was the first European settlement in Delaware, founded by the Dutch on June 3, 1631, and since the state of Delaware was the first to ratify the new U.S. Constitution, the city has dubbed itself the first town in the first state. You'll also find here the ferry to Cape May, New Jersey, which is something we'll delve into in a future video. Now, in no way am I trying to suggest that this is the best food you will ever have on the planet. But here in this plaza on the right past the Pier 1 Imports, we stopped to have lunch at Grandpa Mac's. It's not just mac and cheese. They offer just about any ingredient that'll suit your taste, whatever kind of noodle you like, plus salads, wraps, soups. Needless to say, I overdid it. The famous boardwalk and Funland Park still lie a few minutes away from here, but we're into the city limits of Rehoboth Beach now. The town is actually quite small, about 1,300 in population, but in the summer that swells to over 25,000, supporting the town's slogan as the nation's summer capital. Rehoboth Beach is a popular destination for vacationers coming from Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia, and Washington, D.C., including many senators and representatives and the current U.S. president. The food scene here is amazing. There's restaurants everywhere. Among some of the notable, Dogfish Head Brewery, which we saw outside of Milton, has 2 restaurants here in Rehoboth Beach, and Grotto Pizza, which is well known throughout Delaware, Maryland, and Pennsylvania, got its start here in Rehoboth Beach in 1960. Here past this roundabout, we're coming up to the main strip of Rehoboth Beach. You could spend a whole afternoon wandering from shop to shop, trying hundreds of different kinds of ice cream, pastries, fried foods, and wandering through all the various kinds of gift shops. And that's all before you make it to the boardwalk and to the beach at the end of this road. We're about to turn off this road, so we're going to turn off the video. Next time, we're shaking things up by taking a quick trip over to New Jersey. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give that like button a mash. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our future road trips. We'll see you next time.